of learning how to build a funnel using one of the most interesting application. And why this is interesting is because this is absolutely free. Yes, you got me right. You can build an entire funnel using this platform called system.io absolutely free forever. You do not have to pay a single penny for using their system. Obviously, they have a tiered structure where you do not have to pay for a certain amount of things, and if you want something more than that, then you need to pay. But this is pretty good for somebody who is just starting up and or just trying it out, or who just tasting the waters, that is what we say. This is a perfect platform, and if you log into system.io using the link that you will find in the description somewhere, you will get lifetime free access to the same. So this is a system.io dashboard that says get the world's easiest all-in-one marketing platform. Free forever, no credit card required, trusted by 300,000 plus and entrepreneurs. System.io is the easiest way for you to, and it replaces ClickFunnels, Katra, Kajabi, Lead Pages, and so many more things. Now, the interesting part. Let's come to the pricing and see what exactly is the pricing. So if you look at this, we have monthly pricing and annual pricings. You see the free one, you have a lot of things for free here. You can have 2000 contacts, send unlimited emails. You do not need a third-party email provider. You can build 3 sales funnel, which is a good amount. You can have 15 sales funnel steps. You can have one blog with unlimited blog posts. You can have one course with unlimited students. You can have one community with unlimited community members. You can have unlimited file storage space, automation rules, workflows, tags, email campaigns, one-click upsell, order bumps, A/B tests, coupon codes, deadline funnels, student activity history, Stripe integration, PayPal integration. If you are from India, you have Razorpay integration, Flutterwave, Paystack, Zendesk, cash on delivery, assistant accounts, run to your own affiliate program, API requests, email support, custom domains, evergreen webinars. You do not have any in the free one. Free migration you do not have in the free one. One-on-one kickstart coaching session you again do not have it in the free one, but that's not needed because I am there for you. Okay, so now that we understand this, let's have a quick look at the features that this platform offers us before we jump onto and build a real funnel for you. Stop using a different tool for every part of your online business. All the tools you need under the same roof. So we have sales funnel, we have email marketing, we have website builder, we have affiliate program management, we have business automation, evergreen webinars, online courses, blogging, selling products, and so on. So send marketing emails, build websites, manage your affiliates, create online courses, automate your marketing, and blah blah blah. Okay, so that's all that you have now. It's time for us to jump on to system.io and build our first funnel. For this, once you sign up using the link that I just gave you, you click on funnels, and right now this looks blank. So what I do is I select on create, and let's say I name it my first funnel. Now funnel domain, so I can connect a custom domain, which we will do later. For now, this would be my funnel domain. Now what is the purpose of my funnel? I want to build audience, I want to sell something, I want to run an evergreen webinar, or I want to do something custom. So let's say I want to sell a product or a service. The currency could be USD. Okay, and we hit on save. This shows the funnel. Now if we click on these 3 dots, I can look at view. Now this is where you will view your funnel once you have created it. Right now we have not created a funnel. So I click on the funnel. Here are the 3 by default steps. So there's an order form, there's a thank you page, and there is an inactive page when the funnel is disabled. So we do not need all of these. We come back and we add a step here, and we name it the landing page. Let's say step type, that's a sales page because we are using it for sales. So that's a sales page. I drag it and take it to the top because this is the first step of the funnel. A funnel, like we know, has multiple steps. This is the first step of the funnel. Now when you look at the sales page, system.io suggests you some beautiful templates that you can use for your funnel, and there are a lot of them. So you see these. So let's say we go with one of the fun. Okay, do we have more? Let's preview this one. Your journey begins here. Claim offer now, the financial independence platform for your needs, improving your financial life. So this looks like to be a designed, customized, or built for a financial platform or a financial consultant. We can use this one if you want to, or we can look for something that's easier to explain. So this one, the complete online video course, up to date, click and buy now, empower. Yeah, this looks good. This funnel looks very good to me, and we will be using this one. We select it. You can also choose to create a funnel from scratch by taking an example, looking for an example from your industry or from the other influencers who are building, and you can build the funnel on your own. But for ease of reference, we are using this one over here. That's the name, that's the URL path. Now we go on edit page. Once we come on edit page, you will see the page editor over here is very easy to understand, very easy to edit and make changes. You see this? So that's simple. You can make the changes to this, change this lorem ipsum text, change the buttons. Trusted by thousands of students, an investment for your entire lifetime, empower your financial life. Are you losing money because of ignorance or bad accounting procedures are not being followed, bad customer service, non-effective marketing? Here's how I can help your company grow your online process, investing money, and learn how to form strategic this. Testimonials, these are some blogs, buy now and thank me later. Okay, now simply put, the most complete, up-to-date and effective manual for successfully operating an online business. So I am basically a coach who helps online businesses, an effective manual for successfully operating an online business. So what I will do is I'll come to ChatGPT to get the copy. So I'll tell ChatGPT who I am first, or I'll tell ChatGPT who they are. So if you have not seen my video on ChatGPT and the 4-step framework, 4x4 framework on ChatGPT, you must watch that before you look at this prompting system. So you first ChatGPT assign a role to ChatGPT, and that is, so you are a landing page expert. So not even a landing page expert. Let's say you are a, we remove this one. You are a coach helping online businesses grow with effective strategies in terms of streamlined operations, sales and marketing. Okay, now for the same, I need a landing page designed content that follows the given structure. I bring my ChatGPT to here so that I can, so banner headline, banner subheadline, CTA button, then we have, so trusted by thousands. If you do not need any content for this, address key problems. These are the key problems. I would say bad customer service. This was something as an investment, avoid business closure, record information. Okay, some key features about our program. Then we have a section on how much is this currently costing you. Okay, let's only do these three things first to start with. So I'm just asking for a banner headline, subheadline, and a CTA button. We got the headline, we got the subheadline, and we got the CTA button. Next, we ask for the address the key problems. Key problems. Awesome. Give me 4 to 5 key features about the program. A section on, so it is actually rewriting the entire content and adding the next section to it. Okay, so I think we have pretty much the entire copy for the landing page. Cool. We come back over here to the banner section. We look at it. The banner headline, transform your business. So we select and paste this. Transform your online business with proven strategies for growth. What we do is we make this look blue, and how do we do that is by making it blue. That's simple. Okay, transform your online business with proven strategies for growth. Then we have the subheadline. We can ask it to make it longer if we want. Line on the top, so we can again ask ChatGPT for this. This is the CTA. I come to CTA button and change the text. Next step, URL. Okay, so let's start your transformation today. Now you see that this is breaking to the second line. So what I would do is I'll find an option to keep it fluid. That did not change anything. Font size, I can reduce the font size to make it smaller. This is okay. Padding top, bottom. So yeah, here we have some padding. Okay, no, that's not needed, I think. Yeah, this is good. Money back, 24/7 support. We can add things like 3,000 students trained or something trusted by students, by thousands of students at. So this could be some brands or some businesses that you have already worked with. So this could be trusted by thousands of students, or trusted by hundreds of brands, or trusted by businesses like, and then the business logos. So I do not need specific content for this. Then we have this section that could be key problems. No, not this. How much is this current? Yeah, key features of this program. So customized strategy development. Again, similarly, I would say Control B. Customized strategy development. Advanced marketing automation. Okay, advanced. So that's how you keep changing the text. You have the sub text as well. Now you can choose to keep the read more button, but since this is going to be a landing page and not a website, we might not need this button. So we remove this button for the sake of convenience and not creating a lot of confusion here. So we remove these read more buttons. We update this content. Now I need some content for the left side. I select the key features of our program. Okay, hold on. I select this. Tell ChatGPT I need, what are the things? A headline, sub-headline, and a small headline to put above the headline for this section. Okay. So banner headline, transform your online business. So let's say what we do is transform your online business with proven growth strategies of growth with proven strategies of growth. Transform, I add this line over here. From your online business with proven strategies of growth, and then we have the sub headline over here, and actually this looks online business with can make this blue, so that solves our purpose ideally now. And to get it in one line, I can reduce the font size a bit. Okay, awesome. Now you would see that there is a lot of space between these two sections, this and this. So how do we reduce this space? Is by reducing the line height. Not the line height. So we reduce the margin. Okay, so this one over here, we reduce the line height to make it, and then we reduce the bottom padding. So that's the margin. So we reduce this margin. Once we have reduced both of these, we do the same for here and reduce the bottom margin here as well to bring it all at one place. And then what we do next is, let's see if we have an option to add a okay. I add a button. I bring a button, drag and drop a button. Yeah, so every section should have the CTA button, and I have the CTA, I believe, over here. The CTA says where did the CTA go? Yeah, start your transformation today. So I come back here, start your transformation. Now I want these texts to be the same. So to have that, instead of creating a new button here, what I would do is I would copy this and I would drag this button and put it over here, and I would remove this one. I would delete this. Okay, and here we have the CTA button. Similarly, you can keep updating. Then, are you losing money because of ignorance? This sounds familiar. Procedures are not being followed back. So we have this contents, key problems. So are you facing losing money because of ignorance or bad accounting, operational inefficiencies, stagnant sales, ineffective marketing, customer retention, lack of automation? So we can pull up these over here. We can find the relevant images on Canva or on platforms like Pixels. So let's say I go to Canva for this. I create a small square size. So for this I will take a Instagram post square, and I need a key problems addressed. So operational inefficiencies. Okay, I want a graphics for this. I click on elements, Operational inefficiencies, I click on graphics. I select the type of content or the type of graphics that I want to use for the 4 different sections. So that's for operational inefficiencies. The next content is stagnant sales. I make sure that I keep the graphic formatting similar. Stagnant sale would be, let's say, this one. So we need to make sure that these graphics align with our brands. So we can similarly find the appropriate graphics and then put all of those here. Then how much is this already? Again, we can copy the CTA button that we had. So sorry. Okay, so we can again copy the CTA button and bring it to the bottom or after every section. In this case, how much is this already costing you? 89%, 25% in revenue. So how much is this already costing you? Did we already create a content for this? Yes, time wasted on. So I need some data for this, right? Based on the type of content. Can you give me some data like a percentage value of each? So here we have the data. We can use this data and update the content over here. Here is how I can help your company. Now you can create a content for here is how you can help them. Update the content accordingly, put the CTA, have some testimonials. If you have some blogs, you can add it. If not, you can simply delete this entire section. Then you have a final CTA. Once again the CTA button, update the CTA text and save changes, and you are done with your landing page. You're not yet done with your funnel, you are done with your landing page. Now once they go through this, click on the button, they are taken to the next step. So if you click on this, you will see the actions when button is clicked. What are the things that can happen? So you want them to submit a form, you want them to show a pop-up, you want to open a URL that means you want to take them somewhere else, or you want them to download a file. So in this case, let's say I want them to be taken to the next step of our funnel. Now what is this next step of our funnel? I will go back to systems.io. in this case I think we'll exit. This is our next step, that is the order form. Now we have different templates for the order form as well. You can use any of these templates. Let's say we use, okay, let's use this one for now. So that's the order form. View, edit the page. Okay, we mentioned that it's a digital product, or we come back here, a digital product or a physical product. If it's a digital product, how do you plan to deliver? The amount and frequency of payment. You connect a payment gateway. We'll connect the payment gateway in a while, or let's do it right now. So we go to connect a payment gateway. We click on connect. If you are from India, you might, or you can connect using Stripe or PayPal and so on. Or you can also use COD if you are selling a product with a COD option. So let's connect COD for now. Pay cash on delivery so that the system works. I come back, I keep it physical product. India, no, I don't need an order bump. I'll talk about order bump a little later. And now I come to edit page. Now this is my next step order package. Book your course, coaching program, whatever your product is. So you can again create content for this offer page using ChatGPT. I am creating an offer page as the next step to my landing page. Suggest the content along with a form for payment. So here it is, offer page. Unlock your business full potential with this program. Let's say, oh, that's too much of a content. Unlock your business potential with our exclusive program. Let's say this. I might want this description, key benefits, testimonials if we want to. If not, then we have the form, and we validate and we submit. Now I might not need such extensive footer if since we are doing a landing page, so we delete this as well, and we keep a basic, maybe we add a basic informative landing page at the end. So this is done. Your sales page is set up here. I come back, then you have the final step, that is the thank you page. So whenever somebody signs up, you can select a thank you page that says thank you for registering, thank you for signing up, check your inbox to get the login details, get free access to the world's easiest all-in-one marketing, and so on. So this is all done. Your funnel is set up. Now once your funnel is set up and is ready to make sales, you move on to the next steps of sending emails, setting up email automations, and a lot of other things, that is automations, rules, workflows. So those would be covered in the other videos. I hope you enjoyed this session. Do let me know if you have any questions or queries or comments, and I am here to answer them all. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.